Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Have you ever seen something like this on your laptop? Um, this is easy to fix, okay? But every time when I switch on my laptop, it does this. So we don't want to know the cause, but we want to see the fix, quick fix. You click on BIOS. Right, you go here on post behavior. Click on that plus, then it give you adapter warnings. Click on that, then you can see this, right? Then you untick this. After you go down, you apply. It's going to ask you for this. So okay, once you're done, you can go and exit. Okay, I'm gonna switch on my computer again. This is something else which I want to go to. You can see it doesn't show us any of this problem anymore. Let's wait for this other stress, but these are different things. It's okay, you can stop the video and do what I've done. It's gonna work. Me, I'm just waiting for this to finish. This might take a while. That's why I say do what I've done. Don't worry about this. This is taking longer for me, guys. That's why I was saying, please do what I've done. It's gonna work for you. Me, I'm just getting to another issue which you're not supposed to see. And if I press escape, it's gonna switch off. That's something I'm not going to do. I also don't want to go to BIOS. Well, as you've seen in the video, it has worked. Yeah, so this one then tells me hardware scan come, no issues, no boot device were found, please code your OS image or whatever. Okay, it's fine because I didn't put any operating system here. That's fine. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna switch on, then I'm gonna install a new operating system on the system on this computer because I never put one. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. You can see my computer is fine. I'm gonna just go to BIOS. You can see I'm gonna just go to install Windows. You can see, as you see, I'm installing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.